Hello, crypto world. Sunday, late afternoon, and it's too early for the U.S. stock market to pre-market to start to trade, and the dollar hasn't started to trade. But I would like to discuss something in a bigger picture, if you will. We know we are in a remarkable moment of time for a variety of reasons with respect to crypto, with respect to the U.S. economy, with respect to the world geopolitical situation. It's really wild what's going on. And we have, as crypto people, noticed that the U.S. stock market is making an all-time high. At the same time, I don't think there's many people who would say that the U.S. economy is particularly strong at the moment, and that's why many people believe, as do I, that there are going to be at least 2 rate cuts this year. And the reason I'm bringing all this up is I believe in the utility of a lot of the altcoins, HBAR, Quant, XRP, and Cardano. And I want to be very clear about this. I believe that Bitcoin is in fact going to be ultimately viewed as digital gold. But right now, what's going on is very simple. Crypto is being viewed as a risk-on asset by the financial community, and as we make all-time highs in the stock market, it's a risk-on attitude. And as it is planned that they're going to drop interest rates, it helps crypto because the dollar will go down. So the declining dollar and the rise in the stock market is in effect what's pulling up crypto, not the utility. And I know that that's, if you will, counter to what many people say. But I want to be very clear about this. I believe that, and I do believe we are going to hit all-time high between now and the end of the year with respect to Bitcoin, and the altcoins will go up attempting to hit their all-time high, and most of them won't do it, but they will go up significantly from here. But that's subject to my belief that the equity market rally is going to continue and the dollar is going to continue to go down. If either of those assumptions are incorrect, and that's the reason I'm making this video, we're not going to see this rally. So bottom line, I'm asking you to pay super attention to what's happening in the equity market, in particular the tech section, and what's happening to the dollar. For that will determine what happens in crypto. Just a little thought on Sunday before the markets start.